So my daughter pointed out to me that I had not done her favorite animal, which I can't believe I haven't done. So that is what we're going to be doing today, is a koala bear. So we're just giving him a place to live here first. You can come in with some black to give a little bit of lines and texture. Like if you're doing a tree, I like to go in with my black and then come right back through with brown once or twice. Go once, do it off your tip because it will get dark. Come back through the other way, kind of clean it up a little bit. I got a little dark on us here, probably because I'm using my really thick tip here. It's not really getting the streaks that I normally like. Let's go one more time through here. This isn't really a main detail, but it's better than just a solid brown stripe. There we go. There we go. Maybe we'll have it go up and off. And it's okay for it to be lighter at the top because, you know, it would be. All right. So we're just going to break down our koala like we do any other animal. And he's going to have his ears that come out to both sides here. So you want to keep, they have bigger ears, so you want to keep enough space for those. And then for our face, we're going to do kind of a rounded edge triangle. So we'll get that on here. Like that. And then we're going to give these nice fluffy ears to either side, like that. Then we're going to have his arm holding on, so we're going to go straight there. I'm not going to go on the twig quite yet because I don't want to pull any brown in. Come back towards the body. Now that would reach across his belly because it would come into his shoulder. And then his belly is going to be white, but then we're going to do into his leg area here, and that will come and touch as well. And then his back, nice arch back, and we'll get his little fluffy tail on there too. And fill that in. I know it looks kind of silly right now, but that's because his belly's missing. It makes it look like he's super skinny, but don't worry, it won't look like that when it's done. So once you've got kind of your basic shapes on here, I'll even help out here by giving this belly so that you can kind of see like that. That's how it's going to be. His bottom leg needs to be a little bit thicker, like that. Okay, so now you can kind of see his shape a bit better. So we're going to go ahead and fill all of this gray area in. Now I'll speed that up. Once you've got him pretty well filled in, so you want to have him holding on. So you're going to overlap your brown just a bit so that it gives the appearance of him kind of holding on to your stick there. All right, like that. So you can kind of see his basic shape. Now my rock is white. However, I am going to go ahead and fill in his belly with white. There we go. Pull a little bit of that black in there, that's okay. Probably wouldn't be stark white anyways. There we go. All right, now we're gonna start by doing some of our lining here because it will really give him some shape and definition. We'll go up here by the ears first. So if you go along the ears, you can kind of check back a little bit. That will give it kind of that fuzzy look to it. So you kind of work your way around and kind of pop back up every once in a while. Your way around the ear, all the way around to the other side, like that. I'm just going to show one ear for right now. And then we're also going to do his head. You're going to have it disconnect from the ear here, just like that, so you can have some definition. Start to break these shapes apart, you'll get to be able to see your koala bear a bit easier. So here's his head shape, can drop down onto the body. Okay, so now we're gonna add our arms here. So we're gonna have that kind of coming past the belly like that. That's kind of like his shoulder. You can make like a Y shape there, kind of the fold back around his back. And we're gonna do the same thing on his tail. We're gonna make it a little bit fluffy And then wrap around his leg here, right onto the branch. Like that. And then his little belly, like so. Isn't he cute? We're gonna go in and add some more of our details. Now, a lot of the koalas will have like either pink or a light gray inside their ear space. So we're gonna give a little bit of area for that we're gonna be coloring in, like so. They also sometimes show them with like a darker paw area. So we're gonna fill in along the ends of the feet and the hands with black here. There we go. Fill those spaces in, and then you can add just the slightest bit of arches to give it I don't know if they consider them paws or not. There we go. And then we've got to add on the face. So its nose is very big, right? And I would say it's a little bit lower on the face. So we're gonna start with an oval shape, but then the bottom is going to be a bit bigger than the top, like that. And then we can fill it in and leave kind of a highlight in it if we can. If not, we'll come back with our white. Yeah, I didn't leave enough, so I'll come back with my white, but that way it doesn't have to go on top of black. And add our mouth, a nice little smile here. We'll do 2 eyes. And we'll come back and add a little highlight to those two. We'll really bring them kind of to life. And then we'll do our little eyebrows for fun, just because he's a fun kind of character. And then we're gonna fill some of these details in. So we're gonna add our pinks here in our ears. My daughter likes pink, so since she loves these koalas, we'll do pink ears for her, but you could do a light gray as well. I see it both ways when you kind of look them up. There we go, little pink ears. And our black has had a little bit of time to dry, so we can come back in here and add a little highlight on the nose and a couple highlights on the eyes. I think I pulled a little bit of black into there, so I'm gonna doodle off the tip. I'll do that one again. I don't mind a little bit of darkness on the nose there. And I think this guy is finished. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial for this quick and easy little koala bear. I'm gonna turn up the edges of his smile just a bit more. Make him a little bit happier here. There he is. So I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Let me know what you think in the comments. If you have a request, I can try to get it on the channel. We also have an email list that you can subscribe to down below. I'm gonna come back through here and line the outside of my stick because everything else is lined except for that. I'm doing it with kind of a hash mark design just so that it's not a super smooth looking line. But yeah, you guys have a wonderful day and check back soon for another fun rock painting tutorial. Bye-bye now.